because we young.
Hey there, today I'm going to be showing you my travel skincare routine. The first thing I use is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This is one of my all-time favorites. I would definitely recommend this even in a full size. I really enjoy the fact that Clinique has its products in those little tubs. You can refill them or you can just get some of those refillable containers, the little plastic ones, and use those.
We can't get lost in time. Or don't you wanna do it all again? Start on repeating.
I like to use a warm damp flannel to take the product off, and traveling or when you're in a hotel room is the best time to do this because you don't actually have to wash that flannel, so I make the most of that.
We're young and so dumb. I knew that you were the one. Played our songs all the time.
I'm going to be moving on to eye cream. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream, and I actually got this as a gift, that little travel size, and I really enjoy it. It's quite a light serum, so it's really good for travel. And then this is the L'Occitane Aqua Frontier. Not the best at pronouncing that one, but this is also very lightweight. It feels like water, very similar to the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. And then finally I'm going in with the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is really nice and lightweight, really lovely and cooling if you're in a hot climate. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.